Bonjour, hello everyone, hope you are doing well. We are back with a new learning session of French language, and today we are going to learn definite articles. So which is the base of foreign language, especially French. So whenever you learn this language, you have to remember that you have to learn the nouns with articles. So learning the nouns with definite article helps you a lot in your learning progression. So today we are going to learn an important thing, which is definite article, and if we pronounce it in French, it will be l'article défini, which means definite article, l'article défini. So why do we use definite articles? It is more or less like in English we use the phone, the table, the chair, the man, the woman. So we use it in that sense if we compare with English. But it is more of use in French than English. In English sometimes we skip the, but in French whenever we write a noun there is a huge use of the articles. So let's get started with our today's session. Why we use it? First of all, in the general context. General context, as I have just said, the man, the table, the chair, the pen, the blackboard or the whiteboard. So this is how we use it. And to specify something, let's say I am specifying my phone which is on the table, the telephone, or the position. We also specify the positions. For example, this is the house of Sanjay. This is the car of Ravi. These are some examples for position. So we have some categorization in masculine and feminine, or the gender based categorization in French language. So we are going to see that as we have in Hindi, we call Striling and Purling. So I'm using Hindi base as well for the a lot of learners who are with us and they are more comfortable with Hindi to learn. So we have the categorization as le. This is le, and I have represented M in bracket, which means masculine, the male. Whenever we have a male noun, we will use le. Then we have next la. Then we have le. Le is both masculine and feminine for plural. And then we have le with apostrophe, which means whenever we have a noun which starts with vowel, then we will be using le with apostrophe, but for the singular ones only. So I'll repeat it again so that you have the clear pronunciation. It is le masculine, la feminine. Le and la both are for the singular nouns. Moving forward to le. Le is used for plural nouns, either it is masculine or feminine. So le is the pronunciation of les. And then we have L apostrophe with any noun starting with vowels in French language, but it should be singular. So let's see some examples. For example, stylo, le stylo, which means pen. This is masculine. Then we have la chaise, which is feminine. Then le ballon, which means ball, the ball. La table, which means table. Le roi, which means king. Le rat, which means the rat. Le sac, which means bag. Till now we have covered masculine and feminine in singular. So all these are singular ones until here. So you have, again I'm giving the pronunciation, le stylo, la chaise. Yes, you can try with me. So let's start from here. Le ballon. Yes, you pronounce now. Yes, that's right. La table. Yes, le roi. Yes, that's right. Great. Le rat. Le sac. And now we have two nouns here which are starting with vowel, you can see that. And we have the apostrophe which was there. I had shared with you. For any vowel we will use this L apostrophe. So we'll call this as l'avion. L'avion. Yes, you try, Sachin. No, it is l'avion. 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 Yes, now that's right. And this is l'arbre, which means tree. L'arbre. So this was l'avion, aeroplane, l'arbre, tree. Yes, that's right. L'arbre. Exactly. You pronounced it right this point of time. Then we have some examples here. I have made them in plural for your use and your better understanding. So we have now, we had this in singular earlier, le stylo, and now we will see this in plural, le stylo. It became plural now. We have put one S here and one S here. If we match it with this, le stylo, les stylo. La chaise singular, les chaises plural. Le ballon single ball, les ballons, balls. Then you have la table, the table. Then you have les tables, the tables. Then you have, these two are in vowel, and when we make plural of these, we will use les, because irrespective of vowel or gender, whenever you make a plural, you will only use les. So we can see it here, les avions. And there is one more important thing in French. Whenever you have a vowel starting noun and you have a consonant before, as we have here, les, les, but we have a as in vowel here, so the sound will combine together for those consonant and the vowel. So it will become les avions. First of all, we learned it as les avions for learning it with comfort, and when we make link between these two, the consonant and vowel, it becomes a pronunciation or a sound as les avions, which means aeroplanes. The next is les arbres, and again, yes, we have to make a link here, as it is consonant S and then vowel. A consonant is being followed by a vowel, so the sound or the pronunciation of this noun will change. It will be les arbres, les arbres. So this is how the plural can be made, and there are a lot of rule breakers as well. We will learn them later on, how to conjugate those, or how to draft all these other nouns which are irregular ones. So les stylo, let's practice. Les chaises, yes, yes, that's right. Les ballons, les tables, les avions, les arbres. Well done. Well done, guys. You've learned it well, and we will again practice this, and after practicing this you will be having a good command over it. So how I wish you all the luck, and thank you very much for watching.